Snap that back up in place. We're done. Holy cow, it's bright in here. Howdy y'all, welcome back to the farm. Today we're going to make a little upgrade to the 4Runner. This 4Runner still has the stock incandescent bulbs in all the interior lighting. And today what we're going to do is switch some of those out with LEDs for a brighter and wider light. The LEDs we're swapping out today are actually from Auxito. Auxito sent me these bulbs. They asked me to test them out, see what I thought. So we're going to be installing both map lights in the front and dome lights in this vehicle. I'm going to be doing this in 2 different videos to make them a little bit shorter. The other video I'm going to link up right here so you can see the other install. Now I'm in the I'm in the back seat of the 4Runner, and I'm going to swap out these dome lights. Now this is really easy to take apart. When I did the front, you had to use a screwdriver to get it, and I'll show you what that looks like. I'll link a video up in the corner. But this back one is literally, this whole piece is held in by Velcro. So you just give it a little wiggle. The Velcro comes loose. And that's it. So now you just got these 2 lights. Now these bulbs, they're a little hard to see because it's a little dark in here. These bulbs are the bar style bulbs. And you just grab them. These are actually a little hot because I've been running them while I've been working on the front. But you just grab them and you wiggle them out. That's one. And I don't know about y'all, but I want to do a side-by-side again of the LED versus the incandescent. These Auxito bulbs, they've got a back with fins for cooling and a front with the LED. So you just want to make sure that you get that back pointed up into the assembly and the LED pointed down so you got light going where you expect it to go. All right, so once you have it up in there, let's give it a little test. I'm going to put the cover over so you can see what it looks like. Wow. Wow, can y'all see that? That is a lot brighter. Yeah, it's a lot brighter. I like that. This is much yellower, and then this is just a white, bright light. Looks so good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wiggle that off again. It's really easy to take off because, like I said, it's just Velcro. Get that hot bulb out of there. Oh, that bulb is toasty. Put the LED in place. Once again, putting those fins up towards the top. Give it a little spin, give it a little test. Whoa, that is awesome. All right, cool. Dude, snap that back up in place. We're done. Holy cow, it's bright in here. Well, I'll tell you what, I did not expect that to be that easy. I mean, between the cover being held on by Velcro, so you don't have to worry about breaking any pieces of plastic or prying anything off, and those bulbs just being held in like that, I don't think it could be any faster to change out from these old stock bulbs to these super bright white LEDs from Auxito. Honestly, I'm thrilled with how fast that went, and if I had any idea of how easy that would be, I probably would have done this a long time ago because that was a piece of cake. You know, the map lights were a little more involved just because of how you got to get behind them to get the clicker off and put the bulb up. I'll put a link to that video up here. But honestly, these dome lights, super easy. And honestly, there's one more interior light that I need to switch out at this point. It's that rear light that goes over the cargo area. I mean, at this point, I can't get it switched out soon enough with how bright white these other LEDs are. I'm going to put a link to Auxito's website and those bulbs specifically down below in the description so you can check them out. If you like this install, let me know. I really like hearing from y'all. And if you've already switched to LED bulbs, tell me what you like about them. Tell me what you don't like about them. I know that, especially for off-roading, for camping, there's some worry about LED bulbs on the exterior with the fans and the cooling fins being caked up. But for interior lights, it seems like the way to go. Definitely consider liking the video. It helps me out a lot. And subscribe if you like videos like this. I'm already up to 175 subscribers, probably more than that at this point. And I really appreciate getting those subscribers, hearing back from y'all, so you all can see the videos that I'm doing and let me know if I'm doing things right, not doing things right. I really appreciate the feedback as I learn on this stuff. Thanks again for coming along on this project, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye now.